Day number 15, Sunday, December 5th, 2021, 30-day Crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain, and thank you for watching this video today. Yesterday during the Big Ten Championship college football, I see a logo, Michigan versus Iowa. That is very interesting. Crypto.com is everywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, yesterday we had some events that happened and it brought the price down on certain type of tokens, coins, projects, and Crypto.com is one of those. The market's been down and I see this at a low since we've been doing this challenge. And matter of fact, thank you for following me on this challenge. We're doing this together. Who's with me? I appreciate you. So it's 55 cents. So how much should we get today? And I'm going to go ahead and get Crypto CRO. And it's tempted. I so badly want to get even more of this, but I'm going to get another $150. I just feel good about the project. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this. And 267. I'm just capitalizing on the opportunity. Really am. Look like all of it. So I'm going to 150 yesterday, 150 today. The fees is going to be the same here. Let me go ahead and click on here. And if you don't have Coinbase.com or Coinbase Pro, click on the link below, get access, or even Crypto.com, get access to that as well. So let's go ahead and view the transactions real quick. Let me go back to the captain spreadsheet, the famous captain spreadsheet. And let me go ahead and adjust the date here. And what's happening is the overall average buying price is continuing to go lower and lower. But then again, today's prices, the daily prices is going lower and lower. Now you're looking at here and you're saying, oh, you're down $522.93, which is true. But we just crossed over 3,000 Crypto.com tokens. The goal is 4,000. Now we total paid $2,235, $47 in fees, and $2,188 in Crypto.com amount paid. Now I'm looking at this and I'm seeing some opportunities going down the stretch the last 15 days. And so now to getting 4,000, I can just have a nice steady pace. So let me go ahead and go to the view transactions. Everything remains the same. We're all good to go. We have updated the information in here and it's on Coinbase.com. And I will probably switch back over to Coinbase Pro this week. So thank you for being with me. I'm excited about this. The average daily buying price is 73 cents, but I see that going up in the future. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. I like seeing things like this. Look at this, brought to you by Crypto.com. Every moment from their huge night. I'll see you tomorrow, day number 16, Monday, December 6th.